Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Android Gateway. In today's video, we will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. So first of all, you need to read these GoTranscription guideline. This will help you a lot. Before moving next, you must read these co-transcription guideline and apply all these rules on the transcription. So after reading these transcription, you need to download audio file and transcribe using any free tool. I am using utter.ai. After convert audio to text, you need to apply all these guidelines into the transcription. So I already convert audio into text file. So let's start the audio.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So I went to my ophthalmologist today and he said I got glaucoma. And he went on this long spiel and I was wondering if he was talking about my glockenspiel, but he said no. He meant I had this weird medulla on my eyeball that could totes be a problem in the future. And then I went home. On my way home, there was this ambulance that had this really loud siren. It was right behind me. I was trying to move out the way. It wouldn't let me get over, which really pissed me off, man. I started making supper and I couldn't find any cannoli, so I decided to make pastrami instead. But I didn't have no pasta around, and the only meat in the house is this GMO vegan crumble crap, which my husband won't eat, but it's all I got, so I made it anyway. And then I found this place online where I could order food, like the kind I like, which is fettuccine alfredo with a whole lot of Parmesan slathered all over it and a cream sauce. And I thought that might work better than the cannoli, but I couldn't get them to promise they'd send it over before supper time. So I told them, never mind.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
It's super hot here today. It's making me sweat buckets. I'm here in the valley trying to keep cool with my Otter Pops and my Moxie. It's a hard life, baby. It's a hard life. I can't imagine what we're going to do tomorrow. It's supposed to get over 110 Fahrenheit again in Tarzana tomorrow. Oh, I wish I could be in the jungle like Tarzan was. You know, he and Jane were real swingers, man. Did you ever go to Corriganville up in Simi? You know, they filmed a bunch of that jungle crap up there. Weird-o-rama. And there's this seriously twisted labyrinth up there, man. Looks like it was there since the 60s. Really bizarre. Sometimes I find candles and beer cans up there, like early in the morning. Must be some wild parties up there, but they never invited me to one. And when the trains go by, like the Pacific Surfliner or the Coast Starlight, I wave at the people as they drive by in that train. I think, gee, I sure would like to be on that train, but I don't know if I'll ever be able to get on one again, what with the COVID and the coronavirus, and not to mention the government taking over all the trains. It's sad, man. Hey, pour me another cappuccino, okay?
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So this is the transcription for today. Before submitting the audio, you need to apply all GoTranscription rule. most important of background sound. So these sound events you must apply into this transcription, because there is lot of background noise of this audio. So you must apply these sound events into this transcription. So basically this is the video for today. I hope this is helpful for you, and please like the video and subscribe my channel for more latest updates. Thank you very much.